What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm joined by Tennis. I'm playing duels. If you want to check out the new update. If you guys enjoy this video, please give a like and subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe to Tennis Witch, Tennis Wizard. That is his YouTube name. Enjoy the video. Landing.
First SMG and a shockwave. Not too bad. And there's a green pump inside. There's a blue pump.
You can have the blue pump.
Oh no, the guy hit me hard. The guy hit me hard. There's a guy below.
Knock him, I knock him.
Nice. Good job.
That's what teammate does.
Do you got any heals?
No, but I know there's a cabbage around here. Let's play.
There's two people. I don't die to these bots, please.
Nice! Teamwork! Did you see what I
Teamwork,
did?
No, I did not, but it's completely teamwork.
Yes, sir. I think there's cabbages around here. Yup, there's cabbages.
I'm coming, boy.
Okay, so we have to split. I ate two. I ate one more.
Dare you.
Then you can eat the rest. Eat the rest. The shotgun for you.
No, I already got a blue pump.
Oh. Okay, that man.
People?
Hold up.
Hold up.
Wait a minute. Something right. Don't run.
Hit ding them.
I need mats. I'm farming mats. Shake him, you should shake him. In front. Awesome damage.
That's another guy. Oh, he harpooned me. Oh, there's two people.
Oh, I can't. Oh, my sensitivity gone up, I think.
Okay lah. You try. Oh, he got 6 health HP, of course.
Every time, man. Every time. On to the next game. Okay, guys. So this is game 2. Last round doesn't work out as we wanted. So this is game 2. Let's see. Finger crossed that we can get a dual ace. Where are we dropping? Tennis. Do you go there?
Yeah.
Hey.
First, let's kind of scuff.
Yeah. Ugh. I didn't realize that there's a statue there. But we are
What
going
statue?
like a. Oh, there's a lot of people here.
Skull face?
Yeah. Skeleton
Yeah?
guy.
A lot of people, yeah?
Yeah.
Wait, does that dual pistol actually spawn in chest, or they sell over here?
They spawn in chests.
Oh my god. I think these are just bots. I don't know.
Yeah, we should never judge them by how they play.
Yep.
Yep, I'm going to you. Cause there's player. I think. Yeah, most of them like doesn't hit their shots. I know they're using bows and stuff. It should be accurate.
Oh, I already got an epic chest off spawn. I need my second chest. You can take this, Jan.
You can take the SMG. Drink the big pot. Drink this.
I don't have big bomb.
Yeah, I got mini, so I drink mini. Wait. No.
Now I'm quite a bit scared.
Why?
What if people just want from me?
They won't. You have more. Besides, you have more health than me, so like, you'll probably win.
I mean, I don't shockwave though.
Why would you?
Oh, I don't have a shotgun.
I can give you a shotgun if you want.
No.
Okay,
You can keep it.
I'll be your bodyguard.
Be my bodyguard.
Boss. I mean, sir, don't run, sir.
I
No!
hate you, my friend.
No! I knew it. Oh, there's a big pot for me.
See, everything calculated. Oh, there's people fighting. I can see like in the map.
I can't tell what if fighting.
I'm going to the my friend. Oh, I see a guy. There's a guy inside there.
Got it, copy.
I don't have a shotty.
I'm getting laser. Nice! Oh, it goes fast! Thank you, I'm taking that.
Okay, 220 on one.
Yeah.
It's shot. Oh wait, what?
The guy tried to kill me. Oh, you want the ghost car? Nah, you don't use car.
No,
You
I
bet.
don't use.
Be
Bye,
careful. Be careful, be careful.
No, I headshot with one and I killed another one. So it's fine. It's fine, you know.
The guy have a ghost car and I have a green. The guy is stacked, man. Because a
We need
ghost
to
car.
go like we need to push people because I don't have so. See, I did not even build this.
You didn't even build what?
Why am I wasting my mats?
I don't know, man. It's a you problem.
No!
No!
Ooh.
Yeah, lucky that you didn't lose any health.
Do you
Yeah.
have some arrows?
Yeah, I have 15. Yeah, I drop off.
What is the new gun, man?
I know, right? I also want the gun has. I'm waiting to get a gun out of the normal chest. I pumped the guy in the head so hard from like 5 meters away, I think, and I'm not sure.
I can easily bow him because he was just.
You just start sitting around
Mouse.
waiting to kill me. I can tell.
Yes,
I
he was
see.
He was trying to spray you, you know.
Yeah, but he had only a revolver.
Now we need to go zone.
Yeah. Wait, there's a car. Oh, no, you can't drive that. I have shockwave though.
God.
I got shockwave, and I found a sedan.
I got a shockwave bow.
Yeah, I have shockwave. I don't want to craft a bow. Never mind, let's go.
Oh my god, so
Yeah.
funny.
Okay.
I
Guys.
mean, we got harpoon. Do you have SMG ammo?
Yeah, I have 192. 192 SMG ammo.
Give me some. I got 45.
Yeah.
Cause I'm going for close range. I don't have a AR. And for far range stuff, I got my bow. No,
Mine
not
is
medium.
mid-range. Mine is mid-range and close range. And no far range. And I know long range. I need a sniper for long range.
There's no sniper.
Yeah, there's only bow, so yeah, the bow master.
Let's go. Wait,
Wait.
after taking the shotty shell.
Yeah,
Do you wanna go?
yeah.
Come.
Wait. Okay, here. Why?
Nice.
I feel like the rock doesn't give you that much grip. Like the mountain at the side, there's no grass. The grass gives you grips.
Yeah.
I got-
man.
I got a gas can so that if we are in a build fight, I can like toss the gas can and shoot it to blow it up.
Yeah, that's smart.
Yeah, we do have a flame bow. Oh yeah, from
To be honest, I think for fire, I think flame bow is the best.
yeah. Because flame bow does a lot of damage now. This time I was playing and it took like I was like in 100 HP, it took me down to like 55.
Oh.
For one
Do you wanna
arrow.
come into my shockwave?
Yes, sir.
I wanna go down there somewhere. Yes, I
Wait,
think it's cool.
wait, I need to reload my gun.
Hey,
Okay.
Buddy!
Oh, it works out for me though. I'm in front.
Yeah, I go on in this side.
But we can do the
I
glitch.
think we do shockwave together and need it.
Yeah, I got a bounce pad. I got a bounce pad. The one that you shockwave yourself then fly away very far. I'm excited
No,
to.
that is not a glitch.
No, it's
Come, put a bounce pad
not.
over
I'll
here.
do one. It works out for you, but not me.
Do you wanna come up? Wait, do you have a gas can? I got a fireball for you if you want.
Yeah, I'll craft it.
I can give you some ammo.
Yeah.
Here you go. 10 ammo.
Thank you very much. Very much. That is what brothers
It's a pancake!
do.
Pancake, my friend. Wait, did he get this gold fast in chest in Dirty Dogs?
I think so. Wait, give me a second, give me a second.
I mean, we are luckiest person. You know why?
We don't even need to do anything. We just kill.
No, there is legendary shotgun, legendary SMG, and a legendary assault rifle. That's what you need.
Oh. Yeah, true. We need all legendary stuff, man.
Legendary. Okay. Wait, what? Why are there no fishing spot? Did people fish? Come here. I heard people shot
Where?
over there. I heard somebody shoot over here. You can see the map. Wait, this guy's doing one-hand floss. Give him respect for him. The memes. I love people. You respect the memes. You respect them.
Oh!
Oh!
Run, 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 run. Go.
I can't shoot him. I can't shoot him.
Don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot. Just go, just go, just go.
What if he shoots me? He's
Yeah.
trying to shoot me. Please.
His
kill him.
aim is
I
very
gotta-
terrible. Let's go see the bunker chest. There's a bunker chest. Going for bunker chest.
God, bro.
Going for bunker chest.
Nice.
Going for bunker chest. Let's get a purple space. A purple space. Nice! I got it.
Yes!
Purple
How
space.
many shotgun ammo you got?
I got 52, 47 extra ammo.
What are the odds of spawn?
Five
I need I need
shells in
How many
the
bow ammo
chamber.
you got? Oh, you got stacked bow ammo.
Yeah.
Give me some shotgun ammo. I got only 17, you know.
I give you. Nah, 29. 5 in the
Nice.
chamber and I have 24 extra.
I was farming a lot of brick. How am I low in brick?
We didn't go zone. Zone is the other way.
I know. Wait, there's no cow here. I think.
Play there,
go
play there,
pick it.
play there.
Don't go without me. Don't go without me.
Okay,
Don't
okay,
shoot
okay.
them also without me.
I could flamebow him.
Wait, what is that? They found a llama.
Where?
Wait, oh my god! Somebody is here! I know it, I know it. Yeah, help me, help me, help me, help me, help me. Please.
I'm dead! How are they here? They're shaking, they're shaking, they're shaking, they're shaking.
Oh,
Wait, where were they?
I don't know.
You should let me know, man. I could like flamebow the ground and stuff. On to the next game. Hot rock spawns in the hot rock spawns here.
Where?
Okay, guys, so this is game 3.
Game 3, my guy.
Yeah, and the hot rock. I thought the hot rock right there spawns.
And I'm not landing with you.
Why did you go there?
I was gonna go for the hop rock pistol.
You told me
That
earlier.
was a blue pistol.
You told me earlier. Isn't that like always in the game?
Yes, it is, but at least something pistol.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm not landing with Dennis because he wanted to go get the dual pistol. You can get them for on exotic as well if you want to, but I don't know if you want or not.
I mean, to be fair, if you got it exotic, it gives you some kind of magical, like, thing.
Yeah. So yeah, if you're wondering that why am I breaking the slip barrel and not placing builds, is because I want the metal, so I'm not placing
Mats.
builds. Yeah. You need the mats. Your boy need the mats. So what are you doing over there, Dennis?
I'm getting some mats. I'm getting a lot of mats. This place is filled with wood, right?
I know there's a wood factory.
Yeah.
Last time that is a
chilling
door
with
burger.
mats.
Last time that is a door burger.
And I got a purple spec, so who cares?
Yeah, you're gonna fight that guy, right? I knew it.
Yeah.
I don't even have a gun
To be
yet.
honest,
Oh.
I might die.
I found a rare chest. What do you guys call this chest? A rare chest or a god chest?
I can't even see.
Because I call that chest a rare chest, and I call bunker chest. I call god chest.
Oh my god!
I call bunker
You
chest a
got
god
no
chest.
refund, man.
Oh no, that's offensive.
What the hell, man? I wanna fight you, bro.
Don't die.
He only took 99 damage because he landed. He's taking fire damage.
Did you shot the gas can?
No, he fall into the gas can, but he got a lot of HP. But yeah, your boy will win always.
Not win always,
And
always
get
win.
this purple scar.
Yeah, no matter what, you can't
Yeah.
stop him from,
Wait,
from anything.
don't tell the people what happened in the previous match. Dun, dun. Guys, nothing happened. Wait, nothing. To be honest, Recycler is super strong. You guys can see my second video. It's actually pretty strong. Should do this
Unlock a guy. Bye bye. Oh, I found a duelist.
Wait, mark that? Oh, that is the new update, guys. That is the new update.
Yes, sir.
Do you want to meet up?
I could come to you though.
Come to me.
What should
that
I
you can
drop?
show them.
My minis, my SMG. I have a purple
I mean, you
SMG.
can use that as an AR, right?
Yeah, so I'm gonna drop my AR.
Yeah.
That is not that accurate, but it's still accurate though.
Not that accurate, but
It's still good.
it does.
It does damage.
It does good damage, to be honest.
Yeah,
It
that's
does,
what we need.
as you guys can see, it does 43 damage. Fire rate is 3.96. Magazine size is 18, so only 80 bullet. Reload time is 22 for the Hop Rock Duelist. So
But that is only
Yeah.
for exotic. But if
and
you
it will
rare,
give Hop Rock effects. That is a good thing. You guys
Want to
can
upgrade?
just jump over. Can you upgrade the pistol? Yeah, that is the question. Can you upgrade it?
yes, you can upgrade.
Wait, really?
Yeah. I might die, but I'm still taking.
Don't die, please.
Nah, I won't die. I just say I might.
Where are you? You're still credit cliffs. I thought you're coming to me. I'm gonna come to you.
No, I'm coming to you. Stay where you are.
Let's 2 hours go to each other.
Yeah, sure.
I wanna take this truck. It's more faster than the flipping truck. This is a pickup truck. That is a normal truck. Can I just yeet the truck and just?
Nah, that's
drive
not
the
possible.
truck?
Fortnite
I just-
fix. Epic fixed the bug day.
Yeah. We tried it in our first video, so we already know it. I'm actually coming to you. Or if you see any fights, so don't go to them, okay?
Okay, copy that. Roger that.
Roger that.
Roger Dodger. Oh,
I'm
got
actually
more.
coming to you. Oh, you're going to Pleasant Park? I'm coming.
No, I'm coming to you. I'm coming to you. We go each other.
I mean, the Hop Rock Dualies, it's in the game, but you know, it's just like the Dualies, you know.
Yeah.
Can I check the Dualies for a second? I want to show them.
Yeah.
Give me, I'll give you the exotic for a while. You can just.
Yeah, sure. Is it true that if like you shot the exotic duelist from the burger place, you can hear it in Sweaty?
No, it's not true. I think I don't know. I mean, we can do research about in our next video. You know, they need to like the video first. You know.
There you go.
Eh. Here you go. I found some mats.
Thank you, my kind sir. Do you want a purple
You
palm?
can inspect. No, I also got a purple one.
Okay.
So this is damage is 41 and 3.96. Fire rate and magazine
No.
size is 18
Damage.
and 2.85. How much is that damage, demon?
Which one? Wait,
Yeah,
I'm holding the wrong gun.
dualies.
The duelist. Damage is 43 damage. Fire rate 3.96. Magazine size 18. Reload time 2.7. It's pretty good.
2.7. So,
Yeah.
so the exotic is actually pretty better than the normal pistol. I mean, normal epic pistol at least. I mean, it's
I found
exotic.
this.
You
I found
gotta
this using
raise
a
it.
rare. I found
I mean,
this
to be
in a rare
honest-
gun, so I just upgraded it.
It costs 500, so you guys need to think
Yeah.
about it.
You wanna go?
Now I got my off-road truck, boy.
Okay.
Come to zone. I'm not in zone.
Yeah.
Wait. Oh. Okay, now you know what are we gonna do? I'm gonna get mechanical parts and do
No, wait. You have to break the wheel source.
oh! I did not see that coming. Here you go.
Oh, I'm stuck.
You can take the. Can you give me the bow?
What bow?
The bow that you took.
I did not take any bow.
I know that you took the bow.
I did not take. Seriously, I did not
Oh,
take.
you did not. Give me the shockwave, or you did not take.
I did
Woo.
have 6 shock. I did have 6 shockwave.
Yeah. The survival mode you can craft.
Wait,
ammo
that
for.
somebody that the
Okay,
slip
okay.
trunk the slip thing just broke. It's not. I saw it. It's still there.
Okay.
Just be careful. Just be careful.
Are you gonna test out our pistols? You know.
Yeah. Go from side. Go from side. Go from side.
Don't farm any mats. Just.
Yes, sir. There. The
I
spills
mean,
there.
it is actually pretty cool to hold this, cause you know if you crouch, it goes like like this, like you are
Like how cowboy hold it.
agent for the secret
Yeah.
agent.
Yeah.
Yeah, cowboy. How did the partner? So how is the reload thing?
Oh, stop.
So it is actually pretty good. The reload.
Shockwave the
Animation is
bush.
actually
Shockwave the bush.
Wait, push.
That bush.
Wait, I missed. Do you
There's
have
no
any
one there.
shock? Bomb?
Yeah. I have.
Give me some.
Yeah,
Come
sure.
here. Give me some.
There.
Thank you. Oh,
Welcome.
I'm full. You can take some. 3.
I'm gonna carry it for you so that you don't need to carry it if you don't have enough.
Come
I
over
can
here.
push you.
Come over here.
Hold up.
I can shockwave us. I can
Okay.
yeet us to the storm.
Oh, I'm in the tree. No.
Oh.
Oh, yes.
Oh,
We could do the bounce pad
we
thing though.
got 99 health.
I have bounce pad.
I mean,
And I also have a
Like we
shockwave.
can do. I learned this from Cypher PK. Come here, come here, come here. Give me
Okay.
a bounce pad.
Wait. Okay. There. I gave you one.
Yeah, I
Oh.
think it's like this. Come over here. Alright.
You fly far as well if you have that.
Come over here, come over here, come over here.
But are we going to zone?
Yeah.
What does that do?
I don't know. I learned. I think they patched it or something. Can you give me mats? I give you a lot of mats just
Yeah,
now.
which one you want? You want hard or you want wood?
One stone.
Oh, that is hard.
Stone or metal?
Metal and
Stone or
stone
metal?
is hard. Wood is soft. I'm gonna farm more. I don't have
Yes.
enough.
I gave some to you, the wood. I gave like
Yeah,
400
I have
something like that. Oh, I
641.
see people. Oh, the forest on fire. Come.
Wait, hold up. Okay, one.
Oh. Why they actually? Oh, there's a guy with you. I mean, there was a guy with you, but
Yeah, they are building our wood, Ah! Oh, they can see
yeah,
me.
I can see.
Holy!
Oh,
Don't worry. You can kill them, you can kill them. They have res explosive bow.
oh, I can't.
Just run. Just run. I'm going to storm so that they don't get my pump.
Nice.
Never mind, they got my gun.
Oh. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys learned something from the dual pistol. Yeah, they are not so powerful. Hope you guys enjoy the video. See you guys next time. Peace.
You heard it from him. See you guys next time. Peace.